Hello YouTube. I want to do a really short update with a few things that I've got recently around here.
Good. New acquisitions.
Plus some updates of what's been happening around the house in general. I haven't spent a whole lot of time in the shop and I'm trying to get to the point of rectifying that. I've got a video I'm going to be doing on my Clausing lathe. I've still got plans for a rebuild of my phase converter and getting that prepped for the actual shop. One thing that's really been kind of keeping me busy is we're going through a house remodel. So you'll get some images of new shipping container that I've put on the property here. At least initially it's just going to be storage for furniture and stuff from the house. Let's take a quick road trip outside. Got a few additions, one for the shop and one, well, just for fun outside. Well, of course the puppy's out here giving them hell. Filled up the chicken coop with some chickens. It was a little bit of a surprise, so I haven't got a full cleanup out here yet. But some friends of the wife's were getting rid of some chickens. They'd, guess he just liked to raise them, hatch them and raise them, or get them started at least. And these guys have gotten old enough to go to a coop, and they're like, hey, you want them? So I guess. So this weekend I'll be cleaning up out here a little bit, get them a little bit nicer area, get their coop set up. But for now we got 3 chickens. Also, got me a storage container, so we're getting ready for a house remodel. So it made for a good excuse. I needed shop storage anyway, and we were going to need storage for our furniture and everything. So now in my large lot over here, I have a shipping container that has most of our house furniture in it right now. Outside the shop here, I haven't actually done any videos out here yet. There's a field over here across the way full of corn. Main thing I wanted to come out and show though, that mountain right over there, Superstition Mountain. Just on the other side of that mountain is where the fire's burning. We're not really in any danger here in the city, but just on the other side of that mountain, which is the mountain I was climbing when I hurt my knee, was it last month? It's all on fire right now. I don't know how well the smoke comes out. The smoke's actually not as bad as it has been. Probably should have came out here and took some pictures over the last couple of days, but they're starting to get it contained, and you know, much smaller now than it has been. I got 2 new additions to add to my welding capabilities here in the shop. I got this welding table was actually at my dad's. One of his friends had made it for him probably 20 years ago, and he actually didn't get a whole lot of use out of it before he passed, and it's been up there ever since in his shop. I picked it up and brought it down so I could add it to my shop here. I also picked up this nice, really big Colombian vise that I'm going to mount to the table here, but first I want to kind of clean it up, de-rust it, get it greased, get it oiled, get everything working in good order for it, maybe even throw a coat of paint on it. So I'll have that in an upcoming video. Well, that covers all but really one last thing that has kind of happened since I started filming this video. Kind of had a final decision. We started working on the house remodel, which seeing as we're doing the entire house means I pretty much had to move everything out. Got that all stored in the storage shed. But so the one last addition to the shop is, well, me. I am not sleeping in here. We've actually got a bed in the guest house, but my office and everything I've actually had to move down into here. So let me turn you around and show you that. So over here I've set up my PC with my monitors clamped onto the edge of the desk. It's a temporary solution. So for the next 90 days, this is where I'll be editing videos and keeping up with current events. Alright, thanks for watching.